Well, we just had a big storm, bunch of snow, hail, and a crap ton of rain, and it's some hard to go biking. It's not bad anywhere as it was plowed. There was a beat down trail, but I just went up and down around the field. I got stuck right over there. Oh, look at that. Right over there. I don't know if you can see my tracks or not coming through the trail, but the brook right there is running hard. There's probably 1.5 feet of slush and running water. I bury myself in that. Yeah, I'm just gonna run down the road here and check her out, because I don't think I can get out. I'm stranded, folks. Stranded. Not the first time, won't be the last. That's for sure. Oh boy. Figure I might as well take the doggy for a little run. I'm cooped up inside. Getting cabin fever. Jesus. It's my first time outside in 3 days. Alright, at least now I can shut my visor. Got this mic. Might sound a little different with the visor closed, but oh well, test run for that. Yeah, there was a snowmobile down through here last night. 4-stroke of some kind. I think it was a Yamaha. I think. Not really sure. It looked like it was blue and gray. I think it's even hard going on this. Hard crust on top, about 2 inches thick, and underneath all powder snow. Just great for biking. Axle breaking snow. I don't need that. Can't afford that right now. I wanted to go across the lake, but that ain't happening. My luck, I'd end up getting stuck right out in the middle of it. Then what? I don't feel like yanking and pulling and pushing, so I already had to do that once. Not doing it again. Lift that up a little. There, get some air, a little better airflow. Eyes are fogging up. Hey boy. Deer track? Little deer. Not bad here, but no trails are really beat, so I'm not attempting no trail riding. Just wanted to come down and check the road, see if I can get my car out, but yeah, that ain't happening. I'm stranded. Stranded and no beer. Wait for the good old government to plow me out. Could be days yet. At least I can get out on the bike if I have to. Go to the main road and right down the main road. I don't think my car's going through this. No way. Might though, but I don't know. I don't think I should chance it. Can't depend on no one for help around here. You're usually on your own. That's the way she is. Oh well. she'll going high or not. Try her out here and see what happens. Keeping her in 4x though. Oh, my old boy, he's falling behind. Down to a walk already. Poor old boy. Be 12 years old this year. Can't run like he used to. I had my dirt bike, he went for some long runs with me. He used to be able to run about 40 kilometers an hour for a few kilometers, and he'd slow down to like 20, and then it'd be like 15, and then 10, then down to a walk. I don't even think I'm making it through there. I should have had all these trails beat a little better, but had a little bit of snow hit and I haven't been out since. And then we got this storm and that's gonna friggin' screw up everything. At least snowmobiles can get out now, but most of the time they just run up and down the damn river. I don't know what the fun of that is. Just go 100 miles an hour and burn all your fuel in an hour. $80 of fuel gone, up in smoke. I mean, there's how much fuel I burned on my last run. 2 bars. I only went as far as Clark Lake and back, but that's all I burned. 2 friggin' bars. I don't even know if that'd be $5. Well, it might be $5 worth. Maybe 10. I don't know, she'll hold, oh, $30 around there. I'm not good at the math. Wednesday shaky. Shaky's probably shaking. He's probably got no beer. I got no beer. That's the only reason why I want out. I want to go to the beer store. I don't think that's happening. I decided to record a little bit to show you all what I deal with. I'll be lucky if this gets plowed tomorrow. I know it ain't gonna get done today. They shut all the main highways down and pulled all the plow trucks off the road last night, so God only knows. I mean, they'll be working on the highways and the other main roads, and this is just a fucking dirt road, so I'll be the last guy plowed, so it'll probably be tomorrow. What the hell is that? Oh, Dwayne's here. Woohoo! Ah! Plowed driveway, but wonder who the fuck plowed this out. Unless Charlie got his truck fired up. No. Oh, I gotta wedge myself in. Dumbass. Alright. Oh, there. Just wanted to show you all that. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.